Okay, so we made it up to the Amazon locker. This one's name is Shihiro. Carly, do a craft.
No, one.
Come on, babies.
The hard part's already done. I got told.
You got lots of paint. So yesterday was Mother's Day, and we ended up just hanging out with family, and my mom, my brother, his kids all came over. We had a cookout. Things got a little crazy. That ain't going anywhere. Not what you're supposed to do, I think. So it's time to leave. You know what we gotta do first? We gotta let her rip. Very good morning, everybody, and happy Mother's Day to all the moms out there. It's Mother's Day here, Mother's Day weekend. We've already had some fun, but welcome back to the channel. And we are going to be heading up to an Amazon locker. We got to notice that we got a couple memory cards or something. So we're gonna head up there, get our memory cards out of the Amazon locker. I've only used one once or twice, but they're really cool. And then we are going to get some coffee and maybe do a barbecue. So we're gonna do a Mother's Day barbecue, hopefully with some family, but they haven't decided if they're coming yet, so we shall see. Okay, so we made it up to the Amazon locker. This one's name is Shihiro. We made it up to the Amazon locker. So
How does it work?
you open it, you have to have the Amazon shopping app, and you open it up, you go to your orders.
They can't see that.
And this one doesn't have a scan. Some of them you have a scan code, but so you see your order, open it up, start pickup. Yep, pick up at Shihiro. It connects to the locker. Open locker, and there's the locker.
That's cool. That's cool. What did you get done?
Memory cards. Thank you, Shihiro. Then you close it and it says, your pickup is complete.
There we go.
I have a feeling we're going to be using lots of Amazon lockers, but they're very convenient. This is what we got from Shihiro. 2 more memory cards for the GoPros.
There we go.
Alright, well, welcome back, everybody. Like I said, it is Mother's Day today, Sunday, so most people have started to pack up and head on their way, but we got another week here, thank goodness. So got back from the Amazon locker, and my mom and brother and his kids came over, so we are going to hang out and do a barbecue today. But in the meantime, kids found a craft, so we're going to go do Mother's Day craft here at the campground. We're going to walk up there and see what they're doing. Carly, do a craft.
No, one.
Come on, babies.
The hard part's already done.
Hey, what Carly do? We did a little handprint.
Kind of a handprint. Oh, that's
Carly had fun. Colton and Chase, what are you guys doing?
I got told.
You got lots of paint.
Lots of paint.
Having fun, Chase?
Is there any water in here?
Nope. Unfortunately,
Hey, Courtney has some wipes though.
I have a little bit of water or wipes would
Yeah,
probably
Courtney has wipes. You're good. So yesterday was Mother's Day, and we ended up just hanging out with family, and my mom, my brother, his kids all came over. We had a cookout. Things got a little crazy. So we just hung out. But tonight, it's Monday, and Carly's eating cheese puffs. Hi, babies. We're gonna do a fire, and then we're gonna do a cookout on my charcoal grill. We haven't used it yet, so this is gonna be fun. But we're gonna try this bad boy. Yeah, so we're gonna cook some good steak and shrimp. But yeah, we're gonna give this charcoal grill a good old first try. Cook some steaks. Maybe one of those veggie kebabs too.
Veggie kebabs and shrimp, please.
Yeah, but so we're gonna make something good for dinner. Well, very good morning, everybody. Today is our last day here at Mount Gilead State Park, unfortunately. Last day waking up to this. What a freaking view. I love it. But the next view is going to be of the water, so I'm okay. We got a bunch of errands to run today, and we are going to get hopefully the kayaks from the house and the stand-up paddleboard. So we're going to hopefully get all of our fun toys and get ready for 2 weeks on the water. I get to work remote for a week. This is amazing. So we'll explain more later, but let's get in the car. We're going to run some errands and get some donuts too. Alrighty, so we're at one of the one of our favorite spots in this area. We haven't been here yet since we've been here, but this is Eight Sisters Bakery, and there's a farmer's market over here too. But you see the farm market and then the bakery. So I believe there's Amish heritage in this anyway. So, I mean, they're really good. They're huge donuts and stuff, but we're gonna go in and get some donuts and then check out the farmer's market. Okay, so we got donuts and a little bit of farm market stuff. We got some goodies. They had the asparagus we got last time. They definitely grow it. At least someone does locally because it's huge. I've never seen them.
The grocery stores are always like this, and these are like
they're massive.
They're like quarter size.
And they were good, but check this donut out.
Lucky.
That is a big, big donut.
I'm so excited.
And then we got.
This is delayed Mother's Day.
And then we got. Let's see. We also got. The one that I got was a maple bacon.
There's so much wrong with bacon.
Maple bacon donut. And Carly got a blueberry fritter.
Aww.
So, yeah. Yummy sweets.
We love places like this though because look, it's all local, helps local, grow local.
Carly's.
They're just so cute.
We are getting our kayaks this fine day. We've got Kevin over here helping. This is our, well, we still own the house, but we haven't been here in a month and a half, and it's probably going to be for sale soon. But we're getting our kayaks, and we got this roof rack that's going to be installed up on the truck to carry the kayaks. It's always amazing the amount of stuff we have in the back of this truck. But I'll put a link in the description below for this roof rack. It was only like $100, so it wasn't too bad. But we've got it all lined up and marked. We're going to drill the holes in the cap, and then we are going to secure this bad boy up onto the roof. So Kevin was nice enough to bring his tools over so that we can drill some holes. Super nerve-wracking drilling holes in a $3,000 truck cap, but whatever. All right, what y'all think? That was pretty good. That's really good. It was like $100. Took like 45 minutes to install. Just use some pool noodles up here. You can see a little bit of pool noodle for the kayaks to rest so they don't like get gouged by the bar. And I mean, this rack's nice. It comes with hooks. I just ran some tie downs. I can move the whole truck. That ain't going anywhere. Oh wait, hold on. I gotta go flick the strap. Hold on. Here. That ain't going anywhere. Not what you're supposed to do, I think. Alrighty. My next truck is going to be a 1-ton, single rear wheel, 8-foot bed with a truck cap. Gas engine, no diesel. But got it all loaded up. Bikes are in there, grills in there, stand-up paddleboard. We're going to get a full tour of this truck, this garage. But for now, it's good. Kayaks are up there ready to rock and roll. We are headed to the lake. Welcome back, everybody. It is Sunday morning here. We are getting ready to head out of Mount Gilead, head to the lake. Truck's ready to go. Got the kayaks up there. I actually think that they're really cool up there, but until it's Sunday because people are clearing out. We're always the last one out, but check it out. We're gonna get some last minute things done here. Get all disconnected, get hooked up, pulling out, head down the creek. It's about a half-hour drive. Not very long. Have some freaking fun. So, got everything disconnected. All right, happily ever Hanks fans. So it's time to leave. You know what we got to do first? We got to let her rip. So I don't think they'll ever watch this, but if they do, it's fun. So black tank first. You know the deal. Once you're done with your black, rinse it out with the gray water. So I hope that everybody enjoyed this video here with us at Mount Gilead State Park. We absolutely love this place, and we will be back every year. So the camp hosts are amazing. The people in the store are incredible. So very nice. And they have a coffee bar in the store now, which is really cool. Fresh beans, like roasted beans. So, but yeah, we are going to head to the next campground, which is by the lake. Got the kayaks. We will see you guys there.